I could spend forever here tonight. And even if you never care for me, I will cherish every memory. And though I know it's kind of bittersweet, sometimes we have to accept defeat. Then ensues the peace like falling snow. Take a deep breath in and let it go. I am free. I am free. And I could spend forever in your eyes.